Diffuse Circuit House along NRC kiri pamai kipado. Bukajan rong supi along pen Kangbodet Arso Auso Dimapur Railway Station along pen Kelong. NSCN pen kacing kejiapan Monsam Atekela Nagaland Nangkisun. Kardom Nilikar Biota Thanbang Sami Vilurban Kropi Nonarjoik Tha Biotang Ton Pen Diffuse Circuit House Conference Hall along Preni Paying Korake Tom Arni NRC Aputak isi Mai Padopon
Karbing long a Deputy Commissioner Adil Khan Chephem Pupon Mailong Preni Paitong Kebre si Arni Aprang NRC Kam ke claim ke patang Chia Putak Chingwai Chingsai Pon Alang Linon Kevang Ji Preni Paitong Kebre si Arni NRC Kirebaluk Paklang Pon Puputa Mai Kang Po Mailong Sai Pumar Chokomarapan Than Pachini NRC along Pachetondun pen linkage verification result recording system aputhak Difu Golf College at Hanbang Atul Kalitasi Seki Pipon West Karbinglo Deputy Commissioner DK Burwata Mailong ng Chitongdun
Bukajan Police Station ang Kang Bormanti Bearong pen inut ningkan troksi arlo susukang bodet also kelong tu Preni Paying Kore isi Arni kang sama por malam Bukajan rong supi Bormanti along pen Kang bodet Rajita Barman Rani arta ningkan troksi also piapan Nagaland Dimapur Railway Station along pen Longpon etlupusi Birta Long lapen kipon vek abang pua panta Polis atum pen nep ingnang pontanglo India government penangitoy Monsa Matekela RN Ravi Preni Paying Kore ketom Arni Nagaland along nangle tanglo Framework Agreement lapen Chapter of Framework Aputhak Naga tumpen lamte kachepachoy jiaphan India government pen nangketoy Monsam Atekela mate Interlocutor RN Ravi Pre Nipaying Kora ketom Arni Nagaland Dimapur rongsopi along nangsuntanglo Alang li Nagaland along kedoy sek NSCN lapen India Gov angbong kachatok alamdon Framework Agreement Aputhak Naga Hoho Ratchari asong japo Suarlo asong japi NGO hai huya tumpen Chinki Chingwai Ponji Non malam sopor pan dihina parman birtamo inton paniksina
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Please step in Malin Showroom. All kind of Karbi traditional and handloom handicrafts and ornaments are available here, along with gents, ladies and kids garments are also available here. Malin Showroom, MG Road, Main Market, opposite TOP. For more details, contact 9435433011. Ganj, Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajang tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ong dung hemalong akenang sot hormu long pon ingji. Jihina mo piputhot birta long wangthulo Guwahati Karbi hem tunalong preni phaing kora ke thom arni ada porphai kresia porpen Assam lapen Karbi Anglong district arlo asona sona kisungalam kachingwai padopon pusi pherang ke pen kat news channel sai hem pialong birta nang pali Labangso amailong aiksu kongchun bang Bikram Hanse pen phapon si penangan Assam along ke thekiding asong japo Anup Chetia Mrinal Hazarika AYCP amai Phurubul Das Karbi Anglong along ripen hamphang song ingkor replica chalin abang phu jai kathar lapen Bodo Sahitya Sabha tum anta chatong dun si arsik jit alam chingwai pon kachingwai ahu jai kathar lapen Bikram Hanse atum Karbi Anglong along NRC puta ke claim kedam ke chokche kachesong along kacharap kacheto dun chia phan kachingwai along lamthe baklang dun kachingwai mayalong Lamthe kirip ke non ke bangchi pre niphaing koira nerkep arni Guwahati rong supia long indigenous definition aputhak thedung amai padoji lapen laso amai long Karbi Anglong pen Karbi lamet amai lapen pregjam RD dojot hamphang asong aphan phaponji pusi birta long dun Midday Express abirta bangila pansi kangton poniklo laing bam news channel domi thakmi kurwang tu